Hey, Gary Chappelle here, and just wanted to give a quick unbiased review of these reading glasses. These are kind of cool. They sent it to you in this case, and I kind of had my doubts because I was concerned about the prescription, because I wear prescription glasses so that I can see my computer screen or read books or whatever. But they base it on your age, so depending on what your age is, they'll send you a certain reading glass, and they're actually really good. As you can see, they're very compact, and they just fit right on your nose. And I can't see the computer. I can't read the computer screen without glasses. But when I put these on, I can see it just as clearly as I can with these. So it's kind of really amazing. So I highly recommend these. If you need some really good reading glasses, something that's compact that you can just carry around in your pocket, then I highly recommend these.